Something else I wanted to go over real quick too, float setting. So Weber is suggesting 14. I've seen other people talk about 12. So yeah, I'm gonna go 13. I'm gonna go 13. But when you hold a float like this, you want to just bring it in till it stops, and that's where you want to measure it from the bottom right here to the gasket over here, because if you keep going, it's going to compress that spring up there. So I've got it set at 13, and it is pretty close to being right on the money. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to turn. And then I've heard also too, with it like this, fully open, 24, 25 millimeter. So 12 to 14, 24, 25. Let me know if you got any questions.